Benefits of drinking sweet lime juice. Number 1. Rich in vitamin C, prevents scurvy. Number 2. Strengthens immune system. Number 3. Supports growth of baby's bones. Number 4. Cures constipation. Number 5. Stimulates digestive enzymes. Number 6. Helps with bloating, indigestion. Number 7. Potassium helps regulate BP. Number 8. High in fiber. Number 9. Lowers cholesterol. Number 10. Soothes many ailments. Number 11. Protects from throat infection. Number 12. Cooling effect on fever. Number 13. Prevents kidney stones. Number 14. Relieves nausea, vomiting. Number 15. Antioxidant, prevents cell damage. Number 16. Good for weight loss. Number 17. Also good for weight gain. Number 18. Improves eyesight. Number 19. Improves function of liver. Number 20. Improves respiratory health. Number 21. Combats gums and teeth related issues. Number 22. Good for nervous system. Number 23. Juice keeps body hydrated. Number 24. Heals peptic ulcer. Number 25. Keeps hair healthy. Number 26. Treats jaundice. Number 27. Treats UTI. Number 28. Relieves from asthma. Number 29. Protects against arthritis. Number 30. Good drink for athletes after workout. Number 31. Removes toxins. Number 32. Aids in collagen production. Number 33. Removes blemishes. Number 34. Disease resistant. Number 35. Fights oxidative stress. Number 36. Eating after lunch relieves constipation. Number 37. Daily consumption gives glow to hair and skin. Provides instant energy. Number 39. Lemon for acne works. Number 40. Acidic nature lightens skin. Here are some nutritional facts for 100 grams of sweet lemon. Calories 29, water 89%, protein 1.1 gram, carbs 0.3, vitamin C 53 mg, potassium 138 mg. Lemons are a good source of vitamins. In dietary fiber and can help you feel full for a longer time. Prevents anemia. Daily drinking juice keeps person young and anti-aging properties. Number 45. Keeps muscle healthy, prevents muscle cramps. Number 46. Good for diarrhea in limited quantity. Number 47. Natural acidic nature, balances pH. Number 48. Consume in morning or half an hour before lunch. 49. Good to taste. Available all seasons. Refreshing summer drink. Number 50. Good for patients' quick recovery. Number 51. Natural juice better than any other. Number 52. Lemon skin can be dried and powder can be used for hair. Full of nutrition, help complete daily movement of body. Number 54. Homemade in pure and fresh than any other. Number 55. Homemade is cost effective and fresh and tastes better. If ill, makes food palatable. Helps treat nephrotic syndrome. Helps bring back lost appetite. Eating one full with all fiber without seed is good for constipation. Good for stamina increase. Protective food for human body. Drink within an hour after making. Storing changes not only color but also flavor. Add no salt for BP and no sugar if diabetic. Number 62. Using natural sugar enhances cooling effect. Number 63. Using rock salt help increase HB. Mixing with sugarcane juice helps in inflammatory condition. Number 65. Diluted drink good for those who don't consume more water. Lemons definitely will show good effect, making skin thicker if the skin is thin. Side effects for only those who tolerate acidic food and for allergy person are rare. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon button for such videos. Thank you.